Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the Google Earth and Google Map 3D model into your Blender and just make it as a 3D model for your Blender 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all these step by step. For this time, it is very easy. Alright, the first step, what you need to do is just go to my video description and download the software. Then open this software. You can see the Earth 2M as FS. Just double click this application. And then from here, you can just go anywhere to just search the map that you want. Just for example, I'm going to the New York City, somewhere here. And maybe I want to capture this area. So what can I do? Just use the right click button. Use the right click button to select it. To select the area that you want. And then click here LOD option. Here you can choose the maximum in this way. Then we just want this area. Click download. Wait. Here you need to select the location. Just choose a location. And as demo, I'm going to choose the desktop. Select the folder. And then here, just put a slash. Name this as building 01. You just choose the output location properly. Then click download. Then you can see now it is downloading. It is about 658. You need to wait until it finishes. Maybe just within a few seconds. It depends on your internet speed. And it's almost done. Alright, now it finished. Then you can just go and check the folder, the building 01. So all of the data are here. Now you can just open the Blender 5.0. Right now, just click the empty area and just press A and just press delete to delete everything. Next, we are going to import. Click File, Import, choose the GLTF, then choose the desktop, the building 01, under the model library. So from here, you can see all the GLTF. Click the first one, scroll down, hold the shift button, click the last one, then all will just get selected. Then click import GLTF. From here, you need to wait for maybe a few seconds to maybe 2 minutes. It will show not responding. It is normal. It is loading at the background. You need to wait until it responds. Just within about 1 minute, it will be ready. Alright, now it's done. You can see it already done. And then the next what we need to do is just click here to show the material texture. And now you can see the material texture is not ready. So to make sure the material texture is ready, you need to just go to File, go to the external data and find the missing file. Then select the folder under the desktop, building 01, in the model library folder. From here, click into the texture. This is the folder, just click find the missing file. It will automatically just match with all of the material texture files and it will just make everything properly. So from here, you just need to wait for a while until it finishes loading. Alright, now you can see it already done. So once you're already done, next you can just check it. So for some of the parts, maybe you want to just cut it out. You can just go to here. Alright, but first, one of the very important things is you need to just join all of them into just one single mesh. So you can just press A to select everything, then just press Ctrl J. Then wait for a few seconds. Now it already combined to become just one single mesh. And now you can see this map is incomplete just because of you just crop from something like this. and maybe you'll not realize that these two buildings, they are connected to each other. So maybe for your game scene, you just want to have this part, and maybe you want to just cut this off. You can just do it in this way. Go to the edit mode, and then from here you can just cut the unnecessary parts. You can just press A and just go to here under the knife, bisect, then just cut this off. Again, not. Maybe you want to cut this off. And then once you already release it, just click here, clear the outer, done. Alright, then what else? Maybe you want to cut this part. Cut the parts at here. Just press A and again do the same thing. Then just clear the outer. For this time you clear the inner. Alright, now check. Maybe this part you want to cut it as well. Which part? This part. So just press A to select all, then just cut this, clear inner or clear outer, done. So now you back to the object mode. You can see you already have this one. You can just make it as your assets on. Of course here maybe you wish to just cut it. Cut it is okay. Cut the unnecessary parts. Alright, so now it's already in the Blender. The next, you can just save it and export as the FBX. So now I'm going to just save this blend file, Ctrl+Shift+S, and save it on my desktop as building01. And also I'm going to just export as FBX file so that you can use it in any third-party software. The path mode here, you have to choose copy, and here you just select it. This setting is to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX file. I click export the FBX. Now finally, it is ready for any of your third-party software like the Iclone, Unreal Engine, Autodesk Maya, etc. That's all for today about my tutorials. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you feel these are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you in my next video. See you.